Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw Christmas dog. So guys, what you will need for drawing Christmas dog today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys, so let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw Christmas dog. So let's draw our Christmas dog from his nose. So I will start drawing a curved line here in the middle, so it's easy like this. And now we will draw a semicircle to the center and one more here. If something goes wrong, you can rub it out and correct. That is why it's easy to draw with pencil. And now I will draw a triangle down, up and correct with a little bit curved line here, like this. And now let's draw a smiley face, so we'll draw a line down and a curved line to the left and the curved line to the right. Now I will be drawing two circles. So I will draw a circle here and a circle here. It would be his eyes. And now we will repeat the curved line. 1, 2 and the circle inside. And again the same. 1, 2 and the circle inside. And now let's draw eyebrows. So I will draw a line and almost a triangle and curved one. And the same here, a line, another one, almost a triangle and a curved line connecting them. And now let's draw his beautiful head. I will draw just a line, straight line here. Just try to keep it on one level. If it goes wrong like I see, then I will just correct it a little bit like this and try to keep it even. So I will go a little bit straight forward. And now I will be drawing its ears on both sides. So I will draw a line here and the same here. And now I will go down like this. And then we will go with a curved line up. And the same we are repeating here. So we try to keep it on one level and going down, curved line and up. That's it. And now we'll be drawing a semicircle but a little bit squished. So I will draw a line to make it easy for me here. And now I will be connecting the lines. And the same I will go on the same level here. So going up or down. It depends what is easy for your hand. Just if it is a little bit like too straight, you can always curve it around. Like this. It's pretty cool. I love our puppy. And now let's draw his body. So it will be the same size as his head. So I will draw a helpful line for myself here. So I know that my legs won't go too long. Now I will draw in a line and we'll just go with a straight one. And now drawing its paw like this. Now let's draw another one. A straight line and a straight line and a paw like this. It's pretty cool, right? And now let's draw its belly line. So we're going here. And now let's draw another leg. So I will draw a semicircle a little bit squished again. So I will draw like this. And now I will go with a paw here. And again I will draw a line, curved one. Almost semicircle here. And now we have to connect here just his belly line. So now all we have to draw is just his tail. So we will draw a circle, semicircle here. And now just a curved line going around and that's going inside. It's really cute. I love our dog. And now let's draw some Christmas stuff. So our dog has a Christmas hairband. So we will draw reindeer antlers. And we will draw first a hairband line here. And now let's draw easy antlers, like pretending that our pug is a reindeer, and going up and down, up and down, easy like this. And the same we will be doing here. So I will go up, down a little bit, and a longer one, down and connect. And now I will draw a red berry here, like a circle, and then I will draw two lines going in different directions. And now I will draw a line to the right and connect it with a berry, and a curved line to the left and connect it with the berry. It will be a leaf, simple one. And now I will draw a straight line, a curved one, and the same here. So it will be like a berry and leaves. Now all the dogs, they love to play with Christmas lights. So let's draw Christmas lights all around our puppy. So let's draw a curved line around his body, and we will repeat the same curved line again. So we will draw a line around his body again, and maybe one more. So we will go with a curved line straight, and then it is falling down. So we will go down and like this. So our dog is playing with lights, and let's draw just circles. It would be Christmas lights, a circle, and you can draw as many as you wish. One more, just a circle and a circle here. And now you can play with the lights, putting them in the middle from this one, or just the same place. And now I will draw a little bit more, and we will color them with different colors. And I will put them inside like this. So, and now all we have to do is just to color our dog. Okay guys, let's start coloring our dog with its eyes, and I will start coloring with black inside, and I will make brown eyes for the dog, and you can make them blue or maybe green. So no rush here, just take your time and relax and enjoy shading. Try to keep inside black lines. And now I will be coloring with brown. So I'm using markers. You can color with pencils, pens, crayons, whatever you have at home. Don't forget to share your beautiful artworks, and I'm looking forward to see your cute dogs. And now let's color with brown, dark brown, his nose part. So I'll be shading, and then you can use white pen or pencil to drop some highlights to make our dog look shiny and bright. And when shading, try to follow the lines to give some additional 3D shape. And now eyebrows and ears. And I will use lighter brown for its body and tail. And the same here. And now I will be using lighter brown for the head. And now we are shading all around. And now we can color its body, but leave space for the lights, as we will color them with colorful different colors. So I'm leaving them just white and coloring all around. And our dog looks really cute. I love how he's coming out. It's really a beautiful dog we are drawing today. So I hope you enjoyed drawing with me as much as I do. I really love drawing cute stuff with you guys. And now yes, and it looks good. And now we will color with brown antlers. And I will go for red for the red berry and green for the leaves. And I will make it also red, the hairband, just to make it really pop up. And you can keep it brown if you wish, or maybe you will use another color. And now we can color the lights. So I will go with different colors like yellow, and we'll leave a little bit of space white to make it bright and shiny. So when I'm shading around, I'm just leaving a little bit of white. Then it makes it really shine. And now I will be using blue and purple, and you can select your own colors. So you can go around and shade. Maybe here as well. And here. And I will use also green and maybe some purple color as well. So I will use green here and here and green here, and I will add a little bit of purple just to pop it around, and we'll add more of yellow. And you can draw some snowflakes, or maybe you will decide to draw some candies around our puppy. It's just up to you. I will probably drop some highlights on the berry and on the leaf as well. So you can drop some more dots with white pen or pencil on the eyes and nose. So it will make look really cute. And now we can drop a little of white here and here, so it will add some 3D volume. And now we'll drop a little bit on its tail and on lights, of course, to make them really, really bright and shiny. And this is just the cutest dog I have ever seen. Such a cute puppy. And now I will probably draw a few snowflakes just around my dog, and you can draw some dots, or maybe you will put some sprinkles or candies. It's just up to you, just to create this Christmas mood. And I'm drawing snowflakes very easy, like one line, another one, and another one, so it's really easy. But it's creating this Christmas mood all around our dog, and you can draw as many as you wish. And I'm looking forward to see your beautiful dogs, guys. Looks, guys, how cute is our dog. Well done, guys. This is just the cutest Christmas dog we have drawn today. Well done. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing Christmas dog with us. And if you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks. Thank you for watching. Happy Christmas. We love you, guys. Bye-bye.